How to access WhatsApp files. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open File Manager on your device. Then click on Storage at the bottom. In Storage, click on Internal Storage at the top. After you're in here, click on Android, which is the first option in here. Then click on Media. Scroll down in here and you'll find com.whatsapp. Simply click on it. Then click on WhatsApp. Now you'll find 4 options for WhatsApp files, which is accounts, backups, databases, and media. You can simply click on it and you'll find all your files in here. This is how to access WhatsApp files. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.